Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and hello, everyone. I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us today.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through natural conversations.
And before we start, if you enjoy our videos, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Today's topic is something very important.
That's right. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your feelings in English.
So, Olivia, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is nice today, so I feel happy. How about you, Jack?
I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Oh, why are you tired?
I watched a very long movie last night and went to bed very late.
I see. Well, I hope you can sleep well tonight.
Me too. What did you do this weekend, Olivia?
I visited my family. We had a small dinner together. It was very nice.
That sounds lovely. I'm happy for you.
So, talking about our day is a good way to start talking about feelings. We said, I'm great, I'm good, and I'm a little tired.
Yes, I am is very useful. But we also said, I feel happy.
Exactly. We can use I am and I feel to talk about feelings. But is there a difference?
That's a good question. Usually they mean the same thing. I am happy and I feel happy are both correct.
But sometimes I feel is more about this moment right now, and I am can describe a longer situation.
So if I say, I am a happy person, it's my personality. But if I say, I feel happy right now, it's about this moment.
Exactly. You understand perfectly.
Let's start with some simple and common feelings. Olivia, can you tell me something that makes you feel happy?
I feel happy when I talk to my friends or when I finish all my work for the day.
That's a great feeling. I feel happy when I eat my favorite food. Pizza makes me very happy.
Pizza makes me happy too. I also feel happy when my house is clean and I can relax.
Yes, a clean space makes a happy mind.
Now, what is the opposite of happy?
The opposite is sad. I feel sad when it rains for many days and I can't see the sun.
I feel sad when I have to say goodbye to my family after a visit.
That's a very sad feeling. I feel sad when I watch a sad movie, especially about a lost dog. I always cry.
That's okay, Jack. It's normal to feel sad sometimes.
Yes, it means we care.
Now, let's talk about another common feeling. Tired.
I'm tired today because I didn't sleep enough.
I feel tired after a long run or when I work too much.
So we have happy, sad, and tired.
What about feelings in our body, like hungry?
Actually, I'm hungry right now.
Really? It's only 10 a.m.
I know, but I only ate a small banana for breakfast.
Well, I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty. I would love some coffee.
So we have hungry and thirsty. And we can say a little hungry or very hungry.
When I'm very hungry, I can't think properly.
Same here. My brain just stops working.
Now let's talk about stronger feelings. Sometimes we don't just feel happy, we feel very, very happy.
That feeling is called excited.
Yes, excited is a great word. I feel excited before a holiday or before traveling to a new place.
Me too. I feel excited when I plan a trip and look at pictures online. But sometimes when I think about the airplane, I feel a little nervous.
Nervous. That's an important feeling.
Yes, nervous is when you feel worried or a little scared because you are not sure about something.
For example, before I speak in front of many people, I feel nervous. My hands get cold and my heart beats faster.
But you're speaking now, and you're doing great.
That's because now I feel happy and relaxed. The nervous feeling is gone.
So excited and nervous can happen together, like before the first day of school.
Exactly. You're excited to see your friends, but nervous about new teachers.
Another strong feeling is angry.
Oh yes, I don't like feeling angry.
No one does. I feel angry when I'm stuck in heavy traffic and I'm late for a meeting.
That's very frustrating. I feel angry when I lose my phone and can't find it anywhere.
So, what do you do when you feel angry?
I take a deep breath and count to 10. Sometimes I listen to calm music or drink a glass of water.
That's a good idea. I usually talk to myself and say, "It's okay, Jack, be patient."
Even if you don't believe it, it still helps a little.
Another interesting feeling is surprised.
Surprised is when something happens that you don't expect.
It can be a good surprise or a bad surprise.
A good surprise is when a friend visits you with a gift.
Or when your boss says, "Good job."
A bad surprise is when you forget your friend's birthday.
Or when you see a spider on your wall.
Oh no, I don't like spiders at all.
Me neither. That leads us to another feeling, scared.
I feel scared when I hear a loud noise at night.
I feel scared when I watch scary movies with ghosts.
Why do you watch them then?
Because it's fun. A little. But after the movie, I'm scared of the dark.
That's normal. Being scared is our body telling us to be careful.
Exactly. Now let's talk about a very nice feeling, relaxed.
Relaxed is a wonderful feeling. I feel relaxed on Sunday mornings with coffee and a book.
I feel relaxed after exercise or after a hot shower.
Relaxed is the opposite of nervous or stressed.
Speaking of stressed, when do you feel stressed?
I feel stressed when I have too much work and not enough time.
Me too. I feel stressed before a big test or project.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I make a list of things I need to do. It helps me feel calm and organized.
That's a great tip.
Now, let's not forget bored.
I feel bored when I have nothing to do.
On long, rainy days with no plans, I feel bored too.
Then I usually call a friend, play a game, or clean my house.
Cleaning is not fun, but it feels good after.
Now let's talk about feelings for other people.
When my friend is sad, I feel sorry for them.
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry you're sad, or I feel sorry for you.
And when my friend is happy, I feel happy for them.
That's a very kind thing to say.
Another positive feeling is proud.
I feel proud when I learn something new or do a good job.
I feel proud when our viewers understand our videos.
That's a wonderful feeling.
What about when you wait for a long time?
I feel impatient. I don't like waiting in long lines.
No one does, but we try to be patient.
Another feeling is confused.
I feel confused when English is spoken too fast.
That's why we speak slowly here on Easy English Daily.
Exactly, so no one feels confused.
Now let's talk about a more difficult feeling. Lonely.
Lonely is a sad feeling. You feel alone and you want to be with friends or family.
I feel lonely sometimes when I'm in a new city and I don't know anyone.
I feel lonely when my friends are busy and I'm at home alone on a Saturday night.
That's a hard feeling. What can we do when we feel lonely?
We can call a friend, go for a walk, or come here and talk with you.
Yes, you're never alone here on Easy English Daily.
All feelings are okay. It's good to talk about them.
Talking about feelings helps us understand ourselves and helps others understand us.
Now let's talk about disappointed.
Disappointed is a sad feeling when something you want doesn't happen.
I feel disappointed when my favorite football team loses.
I feel disappointed when a picnic is canceled because of rain.
Another interesting feeling is when you are tired but happy.
Yes, like after a long, fun day at the beach.
We can say, "I'm tired but happy." Feelings are often mixed.
Exactly. You can say, I'm nervous but excited, or I'm tired but proud.
Now, what about when you have a lot of energy?
That feeling is energetic.
I feel energetic in the morning after a good sleep.
And the opposite is exhausted, very, very tired.
After moving to my new apartment, I was exhausted.
That's hard work.
Now let's talk about a fun feeling when something is funny.
We usually say, that's funny, or I laugh.
I feel happy when I make people laugh.
That's a great talent.
Okay, Olivia, I think it's time for a mini vocabulary review.
Great idea. Let's review 5 important words together. Word number 1, excited. Repeat after me. Excited.
Excited means you are very happy about something in the future.
Example, I'm excited about my birthday. Word number 2, nervous. Repeat, nervous.
Nervous means you feel worried or a little scared about what will happen.
Example, I feel nervous before a test. Word number 3, relaxed. Repeat, relaxed.
Relaxed means calm, peaceful, and comfortable.
Example, I feel relaxed on Sunday morning. Word number 4, proud. Repeat, proud.
Proud means you feel good about something you did.
Example, I'm proud of my English progress. And our last word, sorry. Repeat, sorry.
Sorry can be an apology or a way to show sympathy.
I'm sorry you're feeling sad.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's do a quick summary.
Today, we learned how to talk about feelings in English.
We talked about simple feelings like happy, sad, tired, hungry, and thirsty.
Then we learned stronger feelings like excited, nervous, angry, scared, and stressed.
We also talked about calm feelings like relaxed and positive feelings like proud.
Remember, you can usually use I am or I feel.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Here's the question. What is one thing that made you feel happy this week?
For me, eating lunch in the park made me feel happy.
And for me, talking to an old friend on the phone made me happy.
Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments.
Don't be nervous, just write one simple sentence.
We love reading your comments. It's great practice.
Before we go, thank you for learning with us today.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Some days feel easy, some days feel hard, and that's okay.
Keep practicing a little every day.
We'll be back soon with another real English conversation.
So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click the bell.
Thanks for watching Easy English Daily.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.